Hello, hello, welcome. Here with Chef Alex Hamilton.
Hello.
Yeah, we got some very new, wonderful items that we are creating in-house, and is to do with Irish moss. If you know about Irish moss, this is a sea vegetable that's really caught everyone's attention on the internet to customers coming in store. And for years, we've been selling just the kind of the bulk Irish moss that you can use to thicken, to gel your smoothies. You know, think of it like a vegan Jello, and has all these wonderful culinary applications. And then, you know, it was not too long ago there was a request for people for us to make the gel. So there it is, kind of all ready to go. Versus, keep it all in the cooler here.
Yep.
You know, like there is the raw seaweed. And there's a bit of a process to kind of preparing it in this way. You gotta rinse it, you gotta soak it, then you gotta blend it with the right consistency, amount of liquid. And this has been amazing. A lot of people have been just find that just super easy, convenient. A ton of benefits for the whole digestive system, inflammation, energy, minerals, like the list goes on and on and on and on. And next came the idea too,
to blend it with colors, to make like kind of targeted colors that for just to add to your smoothies, and just looks really nice too.
Yeah, totally. So it's a boost of nutrients, a boost of colors, pigments, antioxidants, each a different shade. So this one's quite dark here. This is our violet sea moss. And what did you add to make it purple, that violet color?
So there's hibiscus and some elderberries,
right?
Like just that anthocyanin kind of vibe.
Totally.
Yeah, like, and so like he said, with most or all pigments comes antioxidants as well.
Yeah, colors are the clue to nutrition, right? And different nutrients.
And then this one has like a little bit of like a cardamom, like a spice feel to it.
Yeah.
So
be sure to read the ingredients. Like on this one, it's unbelievable. So we got Irish sea moss, lemon, blueberry, beet, schizandra, elderberry, elderflower, pure butterfly pea flower, and hibiscus. Amazing.
Yeah, great.
Cool.
And then this one is pretty basic. It's pretty simple. I mean, not basic, but like simple. That it's the Irish moss, the blue-green algae, blue magic, and as Onawa, his daughter had said, is fairy food.
Fairy food, yeah. We used to sneak this into her food. Well, we didn't even need to sneak it. It was like, let's add some fairy food. These like blue sprinkles. Because what kid doesn't love color? But what parent wants artificial colors?
Yeah,
nobody.
100%.
So we've struck that balance. We found that beautiful natural pigmentation that's anti-inflammatory, supports the immune system.
And blue lotus as well.
Oh, and blue lotus.
Yeah, so it's a little bit like calming, dreamy, and all that. You know?
Yeah. Okay, right on.
Next is
color.
green. Green, we're taking a lot of different greens with matcha. There is a little bit of matcha in it with the L-theanine and everything like that.
Yeah.
Chlorella, spirulina, basil, nettle, and then some mint to just to really bring it up.
So this is really just a pairing of like, you know, not only colors, but like feelings and energetics and flavors.
Yeah,
so with the green, nice earthy, but then also that kind of vibrant, that mint pop to it.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
And then finally is sunny sea moss. So very bright yellow with turmeric, sea buckthorn, ginger, or lotus pollen. A little bit of cardamom, so it's that spice again. I really like that spice flavor. Lemon, and finally, that's it. Oh, vanilla.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
totally.
All right, so how do you recommend folks using this? Like maybe you're watching already, you're like, oh yeah, I could add it to this, I could add it to that. What are you kind of envisioning that most people are going to use it? How are they going to apply these? Put them
I
in
think
every day?
smoothies is the easiest, but then also like a yogurt,
Totally.
like with yogurt and berries and all that, and it will just add to that.
It's actually like the texture fits perfectly into yogurt. You just kind of mix it in, you know, it's like it's got that same kind of like, it's soft, it's mucilaginous, it's gelatinous. And especially if anybody's got any sort of inflammation from what they say from tongue to bum, you know, like whether that's the throat, whether that's the stomach, whether that's the GI tract, like this is magic in terms of like soothing that. So it does assist with bowel movements as that soluble fiber, but then also the minerals like the these sea vegetables. I have to be honest, Alex, I don't really love sea vegetables. You know, like the flavor, like nori's not my favorite thing. If I'm going for sushi, I'm not eating nori rolls because I don't like nori. Like I'll snack on dulse, no problem. Kelp a little bit. You know, like I'm more about putting them into things where you actually don't notice them. And that's why I love Irish sea moss. You know, like it doesn't have that strong of a flavor, and it integrates in just seamlessly. And now we've got this elevated moss that you can, again, smoothies, elixirs, puddings, yogurts, those kinds of things. Add it right in, seamless for you and the kids. It's a beautiful thing. Plus, you know, it is a thing of beauty. The colors, they pop.
And it really does. And it's like you the first thing that you do when you eat is see it, right? And so like we need to just have more colors in our food, and this is the perfect way.
Not only is it important in the winter, you know, everything's kind of like drab and dreary, but also in the summer as we're out in the sun. It's these antioxidants that, you know, help protect our skin from free radicals and that type of thing. So it's thanks for creating these, and look forward to having you give them a try.
Totally.